In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Surfshark VPN to Chrome. If you're new to using VPN extensions or just need a little guidance, don't worry. I've got you covered. We'll walk through each step together, making it simple and straightforward. First, let's head over to the Surfshark website. This is where everything begins. Open your web browser and type in surfshark.com to access their official site. Once there, you're greeted with a user-friendly interface that makes navigating the site a breeze. Surfshark is known for its robust security features, so you're off to a great start by choosing it. Next, you'll want to find the My Account option. Look at the top right-hand corner of the page for this link. It's your gateway to managing and accessing your VPN account. Whether you're a new user or a returning one, this is your starting point to log in or manage your settings. Now, let's click on Log In. If you already have an account, use your credentials to sign in. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it. And for those who don't have an account yet, you might see options to create one. Just follow the prompts there. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Surfshark home. This dashboard is the command center for controlling your VPN. It's here that you can manage subscriptions, check connection statuses, and find various resources you might need. Now, locate the Download Apps section. It's usually prominently displayed, making it simple to find. This is where you can download Surfshark for different platforms and devices. It's incredibly useful, ensuring you have all the tools you need, no matter where you might want to use your VPN. Within the Download Apps section, find the option to download the Chrome extension. This is crucial because it's what enables your VPN to work directly within your Chrome browser, giving you private and secure browsing with just a few clicks. Click on Download the Chrome extension and follow the instructions that appear. The process might take a few moments, so be patient. Once it's downloaded and installed, you'll be ready to go. By following these steps, you'll have Surfshark VPN added to your Chrome browser in no time. With your VPN now integrated into Chrome, you can browse with an added layer of privacy and security, safeguarding your data from prying eyes. Thanks for sticking with me through these steps, and happy secure browsing.